Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the essentials. You're on the latest iOS and the app providing the widget has permission to run in background. Next, long press the blank widget until options appear. Choose Remove Widget, then tap Done. Once removed, restart your iPhone, hold the power and volume button, slide to power off, wait about 10 seconds, then power on. After boot, press and hold the home screen, tap the plus icon, find the widget, and re-add it so the system creates a fresh instance. Once the widget is re-added, open the app that supplies it and verify it's fully launched. Sign out and sign back in if content stays blank. Make sure background app refresh is enabled for that app, and, if relevant, grant location or health data. If the widget still shows blank, force quit the app by swiping it away from the app switcher, then relaunch. If problems persist, delete the app to remove corrupted data, then reinstall from the App Store to restore a clean widget feed. For stubborn blank widgets, try Reset Home Screen Layout in Settings General to clear layout glitches. If that fails, use Reset All Settings. This keeps data but restores system defaults. Make sure both iOS and the app are updated. Install updates now and reboot. If the widget still fails, add a different widget from another app to determine whether the issue is system-wide or app-specific. Finally, back up and restore your iPhone only if other steps fail. This often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.